I'm Virginia McGathey here on the floor at the CME Group reporting on the grain market. Yes, today soybeans were higher. It seems that the White House is looking to reach an agreement with China, which definitely can settle things down, and it gave the market a little bit of a boost. It seems that most news is really bearish, but actually there has been some purchases by China, and it has like a little bit, come to a halt. So there was some concerns about that, but the idea that they're going to reach an agreement has given the market a little bit of a lift. We do have to keep an eye on the yields from South America. Interestingly enough, they did cut the numbers for Argentina, and then Brazil, on the other hand, they're talking about a bumper crop, maybe 115 million bushels. So it could be that Brazil is mitigating the troubles that they're having in Argentina, but the numbers are going to be coming out soon, so that's having a little bit less of effect on our soybean market. Right now the corn really rallied, and it seems that the spring planting delays are underpinning some of the futures, the strength of the futures, but there is some overflow buying from the wheat side since the wheat was up so much. But the technicals were also showing a little bit oversold, and that kind of sparked some buying as well for the corn. And so it looked really good today into the close. It ended up about 4.5, maybe 5 cents. Wheat just was soaring today. Double-digit rally. The market looked very, very strong. There was certainly some short covering from worries of that the weather issues that are going to be ahead. And finally, the buyers stepped in. Everyone got off the stepping on the neck of the wheat after all this time. But it seems that the funds are starting to reverse their positions, and I think that they are. There is a report that the crop conditions are the worst that they've been in probably like 2 decades. So finally, we're going to get the numbers of the winter wheat crop. Once we get the actual numbers, if they're worse than we think, we can expect that the market could really rally. But we're going to watch that closely. But that's definitely on the table now, and so we're back into this into a weather market, and we're going to start looking ahead about the planting season. So we're really on the precipice of that. So we're going to watch that closely, certainly for all the grains. That's all from the floor at the CME Group here in Chicago. I'm Virginia McGathey.